All right, today we are here for this installation. As you can see, this is a solar panel that we are installing, constructing a carport using solar panel. As you can see it up there, and that is our able engineers carport, and we have come to the final stage of it. You will see how the system is running. This three-phase inverter system we are running using solar panel carport. We run it inside. As you can see it, look at it. This is the carport. This is the carport. As you can see it, do you see the way we designed the carport? One car is already inside. Watch as we do it. Do you see it? Carport using solar panels. Contact us for your own. Carport using solar panel. All right, so from here you see the way we design it. Look at the base. Look at the base of it. Look at the base. Do you see the base? We are going up. See the way we cover it. Will give you excellent service. See the way it is. See the way it is. So contact us for your own. All right, we are going inside where we install the system now. We are going inside now. All right, look at how the system is. This 30 kilowatts lithium battery and the three-phase inverter system, Yohaco product to be precise. This is how our installation looks like. As you can see it, this is a tabletop Yohaco product 15 kVA. This is the lithium battery. Look at the interface of the 15 kVA inverter. As you can see, watch as I navigate through now. These are the parameters. In case today this one you have not installed it before, whenever you are installing Yohaco, you can come to this video and take the directions. I've just clicked the grid now. This is the interface for the grid. Voltage, amps, frequency for each of the phases. It should be navigating. I'll go back now. I click the panel. These are parameters from the panel. As you can see, panel has one phase, two phase, three phase. That is to tell you that it has three inputs, solar inputs, and now goes to the battery. And as you can see, the battery, this is the amps that the battery is running. And this is the capacity of the battery. And this is the battery voltage as well. Frequency at which it's running. So this gives you the understanding of it. Look at the battery. Watch out as I show you the BMS of this battery. Look at the BMS parameters of the battery. That is very interesting. Some other battery, lithium battery, doesn't have this particular function for you to view it in this way. Some other system doesn't have it. So with this, you see that the installation is perfectly okay. Watch as we navigate back now. I've gone back. Watch out. You see the BMS parameters of the system. Now, it will interest you to know that you can do without grid when it comes to solar system. You can go off grid. Watch out. This is the system now. This is how the connection is. The first box is DC box, second one is AC. That is to tell you that you can do without